With a slap and a tickle and a sprinkle and a giggle, palmolive soap, perhaps a slice.
I'm going to sit here and reflect for a moment. Very nice. The weather today is lovely. The sun is out, it's pretty high in the sky. And I've checked the thermometer, but the thermometer's in the shade outside the house. But I'm going to guess that today is going to be between 60 and 70 degrees with full sunshine and clear skies. This is a water run-through. It runs through the village, made about 30 years ago. The men of the village, with the help of the government, they dug all the way through the village to allow this water to come through properly. So before it was done, the village used to flood, but now it's safe. As you can see, it's quite a big storm drain. Watch. Not the prettiest of storm drains, but what can you expect from a storm drain? billyctv, I want to thank you for all the people that you send our way. You must spend a lot of time looking for really good, worthy YouTubers for us to watch. And so again, I'd just like to thank you for helping us find these people.